Take a ride in the 2016 5 Series. The 5 Series incorporates bold styling cues that departed from BMW's traditional styling language. If you are looking for excitement and boldness, the 5 is for you and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power moonroof, speed control, 4-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, navigation system. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.